Hello, this is Dan, the Furniture Repairman. Today we're going to repair the broken spring on the bottom of this chair. Now the spring didn't break, it just pulled out of the clip, and these are the clips that are used to hold it in place. And we're going to put ours on the side of the framing right here. Now typically they're on top of the framing, but I can't get on top of the framing without taking off a bunch of fabric. So I'm showing you how way to do it without taking off all the fabric. And we're going to use some sheetrock screws, nothing fancy. I believe these are 1.25 inches. Or they may be 1 inch. You want to make sure they don't go through the framing. And then we're going to need our staple pulling tools, so our staple puller and our wire cutters. What I'm going to do is just take the cambric, the black fabric, off the bottom of the chair so that I have space to work. And once I have all the fabric pulled off the chair, then what I could do is get access to that area right there. Now I flip the chair over and I'm going to work on it in this way because it will let this thing kind of sit in place right there. So that's where the clip is for the other side, for the one next to it, and I'm going to put mine right there on the framing, and it will work. And I'm just making a little mark right there where my hole should be, and I'm pilot holing the hole for the screw. After that, I'm just going to put this sheetrock screw in partially and then back it back out. And the reason why is I want this to be pre-threaded so that it's easier to put in when it comes time for final installation. So once I have it screwed in, I'm going to back it out. Now I'm going to put my clip in and I'm going to screw that in. And then that's going to be nice and tight there. I'm looking at it and it sits well. And there's 3 holes, so we're going to end up using all 3 of them at the end. Now I'm going to turn the chair on its side. And what I'm going to do is the thing that makes no sense is I'm going to take this back out again. And you'll see why in a minute. You can either stretch the spring to the clip and get it on there. And sometimes it'll take 2 people and then bend the clip. But it's kind of hard to do. What I like to do is I like to attach the clip to the spring. Now, if the spring is broken, it's a different repair. But usually they don't break. They're very sturdy. Usually what they'll do is they'll pull out of their clip. The clip will straighten out or let go of them. And you're just able to put a new clip on and without taking the chair apart. So you see the clip goes on just like this. And I'm just going to use a pair of needle nose vice grips. But any form of plier or squeezing device will work. And I'm just kind of crimping that on the end so it stays on there. Once I have it on there, I got my vice grips locked. So I could use it kind of as a handle because these things are not easy to pull. You got to apply a little bit of a pull. And they don't quite reach without stretching them. So I'm going to use the screw to tighten it up and stretch it into place. So I'm just tightening the screw right there. And as you see, it's pulling the spring into place. And then afterwards, I'm going to come in, add the other 2 screws. Be careful because you're at the top, so you got to be very careful with it. And then put my black fabric back on, and bing, bang, boom. This puppy's all said and done. This is Dan, the Furniture Repairman. Thank you so much for watching. Y'all have a good day.